Welcome to Yogasamadhan. Today we are practicing a QRT. This is 5-minute and quick meditation technique. This QRT is full form is quick relaxation technique actually. So we are practicing a daily 5-minute a quick meditation, then your concentration power is slowly increase day by day. We'll start now QRT. Then go to lying position, comfortably and gently. This is technique of QRT. Start. Relax on your whole bodies. Relax your toes, relax your heel, relax your calf muscle, relax your knees. Concentrate and relax. Relax your thighs, relax your waist and back. Relax your abdomen. Slowly relax your chest, relax your hand fingers, relax your arm, and relax your shoulders, relax your neck, relax your face, relax your eyes, relax your forehead, and relax your mind. Your mind fully relaxed. You concentrate on your bodies and fully relaxed. Your whole body is fully relaxed. And you're mentally fully relaxed. Change your relaxed mode. Tight on your toes, tight on your heel, tight on your calf muscle, tight on your knees, tight on your thighs, tight on your hand finger, tight on your arm, tight on your waist, tight on your abdomen, tight on your back, tight on your chest, tight on your fourth shoulder, tight on your neck, tight on your face, tight on your forehead, full body tighten, relax, fully relax, you feel. Fully relax your bodies. Again, concentrate on your toes. Is relax. Your heel is relaxed. Your both calf muscle and knees is relaxed. Relax your thighs. Relax your waist, back and abdomen. Fully relax your chest. Relax your hand fingers. Relax your arm. Relax your chest. Relax your both shoulders. Relax your neck, relax your face, fully relax your both eyes, relax your forehead and relax your mind, fully relaxed. You feel your body weight is very light. Your body weight very light you are feeling, and you feel are relaxed. Do not any tightness on your any muscle. Relax your mind. Your breathing is very slow and relaxed. Please maintain this condition 5 to 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes, you feel a relax and light weight on your bodies. You feel and your mind is fully relaxed. After 10 minutes, you start a deeply inhale, deeply exhale. Inhale and deeply exhale. Inhale and deeply exhale. And slowly come back to the sitting position. Slowly come back. Do not open your eyes. Please straighten your spine and Sukhasana. Fully relax your mind. Start Omkara chanting 3 times. Inhale. Simply palming. And relax. You feel a very happy and relax your body and mind. This is very quick meditation technique. You practice day by day, improve your concentration power and relieve your stress. Thank you. Watch this video and follow my channel and subscribe Yogasamadhan. Thank you.